video, let's talk about quantum dots. Uh, these quantum dots are certainly linked with the field of nanotechnology. So let me give some kind of information regarding these quantum dots. These quantum dots are nanoscale semiconductor particles with unique optical and electronic properties. And they are typically made from materials like cadmium selenide and indium arsenide. These quantum dots have a diameter ranging from 2 nanometers to 10 nanometers, making them exceptionally small. Now, due to their small size, quantum dots exhibit quantum mechanical effects. And their size allows for tunable light emission, covering a wide spectrum of colors. These quantum dots are used in displays to enhance color accuracy and brightness. They are also employed in solar cells to improve energy conversion and to improve the efficiency. These quantum dots can emit light when exposed to ultraviolet or blue light, a process known as photoluminescence. And their emission wavelength depends on their size, making them versatile for various applications. Now, these quantum dots are used in medical imaging for better visibility during procedures. They can be engineered to target specific cells or tissues in the body. Now, these quantum dots have potential applications in diagnosis of cancer and in its treatment. In quantum computing, quantum dots can be used as qubits for quantum information, to process the information. Now, these quantum dots, charge and spin states, can serve as quantum bits in quantum computers. Now, these nanoscale particles have high fluorescence quantum yields. This is making them efficient light emitters. And their small size and large surface area to volume ratio allows for efficient charge transfer. Now, these quantum dots can be incorporated in LEDs to produce brighter and more energy efficient lighting. Their narrow emission spectra are advantageous for displays and lighting applications. These quantum dots have unique properties, and these properties are in quantum dot televisions, quantum LEDs, I should say. And these quantum dots have been explored for use in quantum dot lasers. They can emit coherent light and have application in optical communications. Quantum dots have potential in quantum cryptography for secure communication. These nanomaterials have been investigated for their role in quantum dot, for their role in solar cells. Now, quantum dot solar cells can have a broader range of sunlight wavelengths. Their efficiencies converting sunlight to electricity is under active research nowadays. These quantum dots can be designed to emit single photons, a crucial property for quantum information processing. They are used in quantum dot displays to achieve high resolution screens. Quantum dots are being explored for use in biological and chemical sensing as sensors. Their size-dependent optical properties enable precise detection. And these quantum dots can be functionalized to bind specifically to target molecules. This binding can be used to detect and quantify various biomolecules. Now, and these quantum dots have applications in drug delivery systems. Their unique properties enable controlled release of drugs at some specific sites. They can be engineered to deliver drugs with precision and minimum side effects. And these quantum dots are used in the labeling of biomolecules for tracking and imaging the cells. They have been enabled in advances in understanding cellular processes. And these quantum dots stability allows for long-term imaging in biological systems. They are used in the study of living cells and tissues that can be used like that. These quantum dots are employed in fluorescent microscopy for high resolution imaging. Their brightness and photostability improves imaging qualities. Quantum dots have potentials in next generation quantum dot televisions with even better color and energy efficiency. They are being investigated for use in flexible displays. Quantum dots based sensors are being explored for environmental monitoring. They can detect pollutants and toxins with high sensitivity. Quantum dots versatility extends to the field of nanomedicine. They can be used for targeted drug delivery in cancer therapies. And these quantum dots can serve as contrast against in medical imaging techniques like MRIs. They are also explored for photoacoustic imaging, combining ultrasound and optical imaging. These quantum dots have shown promise in improvising and improving the efficiency of conventional silicon solar cells. They can be integrated into existing solar panel technologies, and these quantum dots are used in fabrication of quantum dot transistors based on semiconductors. These transistors are critical for the development of quantum computer. These quantum dots have a wide range of potential applications in electronic industry. They are used in production of quantum dot light emitting diodes, right? And quantum dots are certainly an integral part to the development of quantum dot lasers. They can emit laser light in visible and infrared spectra. Quantum dots have been explored for use in quantum dot photodetectors, and they are used in photodetectors for high speed and high resolution imaging. These quantum dots have unique electronic properties that can be manipulated for various applications. They exhibit quantum confinement, meaning their electronic behavior is purely size dependent. These quantum dots can be tuned to emit specific wavelengths of light, making them useful in what I already talked about as color displays. Their stability is harsh. They are stable in harsh conditions. This makes them valuable for environmental monitoring. Quantum dots have potential applications in development of quantum dot lasers, and their small size and efficient light emissions are advantageous for laser technology. And these quantum dots can emit single photons, which I talked about, making them suitable for quantum cryptography. They're used in quantum dot security markers for document authentication. Quantum dots are employed in the fabrication of nanoscale instruments like lasers. That they enable the development of small and more energy efficient lasers. and these quantum dots are used in quantum dot infrared photo detectors. These detectors have applications in night vision technology. Quantum dots can be engineered to emit light in the near infrared spectrum, and their unique optical properties have applications in biomedical imaging systems. And these quantum dots can be used as contrast agents, as I already talked about, in imaging techniques like fluorescence. Microscopy. So these were some of the important applications of these quantum dots, and there can be many more applications that can be added because the field of view for these quantum dots. It's very broad, and it has a very long range of applications in our day-to-day life and in the environment that's surrounding us. And in investigating the universe around us, in investigating the radiations that are coming to us from different galaxies, from different stars. So these quantum dots are certainly becoming the basic bones of investigation. And not only investigation point of view, they are certainly giving us a trend, they are certainly giving us a value to have more precision in our calculations, to have more precision in diagnosing the biological faults, to have more precision in analyzing the universe around us,